Well, by now, many people have already told you that you can earn a lot of money and maybe 10K a month from affiliate marketing. But what nobody tells you is that to even start affiliate marketing, you need to have followers or audience. The people you see in videos, they only tell you that, oh, you just need to pick a link, you need to put it in your content, and people will click it and you will earn a commission. Do you think is it that easy? What these people don't tell you is that when a person is just starting out, they don't have any followers or audience to sell a product. And these influencers and YouTubers just directly jump on the topic of how you can pick a link, how you can use that link, how people will click on it, and how you will earn a commission. But nobody tells you the actual workflow of how to do it. Many people say that you can just put a link in your bio and people will click on it and you will start earning from it. And I've seen many people in the comment section fighting about what if I don't have any audience, or how can I build an audience, or how can I do affiliate marketing without a follower. That's when many beginners like us get confused and we think that we cannot do affiliate marketing because we don't have any audience. But to do affiliate marketing, the very first step is to build your audience. And no, this is not a rocket science or I am telling you to do it. This is the very first step you have to take before you can even expect to get any sale from affiliate marketing. What these people don't tell you is that in the initial phase, you have to build your audience first before you can even expect a single rupees from affiliate marketing. And if you're thinking, oh, I need to make followers and audience, then that means I have to make content. Then yes, you have to make content to do affiliate marketing. You have to post your content or social media platform to show your product and services to the people. And when people will see your content, then they will click on your link and then they will make purchase. And after that, you will make a commission. And it completely depends upon if you want to make content of with face or faceless. It's all up to you. But one thing is clear that if you want to do affiliate marketing, you have to make content on social media platforms. And if you don't want to make content, then you have to run meta ads to show your ad to the people. And what I know is that many beginners, when they are starting out, they don't have money to burn in the ads. That's why this is a simple way to earn from affiliate marketing is that you have to make content first to teach the audience about that product. And after making few pieces of content like 10 to 20, people say that I made 10 videos and 20 videos and still I am not seeing any sales. Maybe affiliate marketing is not working for me. So the second point is that don't expect the sales in the beginning. I'm not here to demotivate you. I'm just here to tell you the reality of what it actually takes to do it. When you're making content of any product, you have to keep one thing in your mind that when you're just starting out, you will not start seeing sales immediately. But that doesn't mean affiliate marketing is a scam. No. To grow on any platform, you have to post consistently so that the algorithm can understand what your content is all about. What happens when you post consistently? The algorithm start understanding your niche, then it find your target audience, and then it starts showing your content to those people. And this process takes time. And if you ask me realistically, it takes at least 1 to 2 months for the algorithm to find your target audience. And in this phase, your only work is to just post content. You will not start earning from 1 to 2 months, but after your content start getting views, it will start reaching a target audience. After that, they will see your content, they will like your videos, they will click on your link, and after that, they will make a purchase. And then you will get a commission. The people who call it a passive income don't tell you about this part. It takes time before it becomes passive. You will not start earning from day one. You have to put efforts first. And then if the content reaches the right people, they see it, they like it, they buy it, then you will get commission. So how you can do affiliate marketing without followers? So the simple answer is to even start affiliate marketing, your first goal should be to build audience first, and you will do it by making content. You do not need to own the product or you do not need to handle the customers, just need to act as a middleman. For example, remember you like a cloth on any reel or video and that person says, if you want this cloth, write link in the comment and I will send you the link. And then if you like that cloth, you ask for the link, you click on that link, you make a purchase of that cloth, And when you do the purchase, the person who made that video of that cloth will get commission. That's how affiliate marketing works. It's that simple, and many people make it complicated. But just the thing is that you need to put effort in making content and showing your product. People will buy when you show your product, build connections with your audience, build trust with your audience that whatever I'm recommending, it is good. Then your audience may buy from your link. And this entire process will not happen overnight. So you need to have a lot of patience in this process. And my humble advice is that please stay away from the fake gurus who promise you overnight success. Stay away from the people who are trying to sell you affiliate marketing as a course in the name of it is very easy, you can do it. Because the reality is simple. You have to put the effort, you have to make content consistently, you have to wait patiently 3 to 4 months and you will not see result quickly. But as your content start growing, people will start noticing you and your product. Then they will buy you and eventually you will start getting sales. So my sole purpose from this video was to tell you about the reality of what it actually takes to do affiliate marketing. And I love to make this type of honest content in which I show you complete picture of what it actually takes to do any side hustle and how you can save your time and just not fall for these influencers because I wasted my time. So I don't want you guys waste your time in these type of thing and just start putting your effort. And if you learn something from this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel because I will keep making these type of honest breakdown of side hustles to save your time. And share your thoughts in the comment and I will see you guys in the next one.